Hello, I'm Yurin, and here is bringing you Korean beauty skincare Mediheal launch of Mediheal Essential Healing Mask to replace Mediheal Solution Essential Mask REX. So here are some details about the new Essential Healing Mask. Renewal Suit Skincare Concern, their medical site, T3 Collagen Vita Vitamin Placenta. The ingredient optimized per skin concern. Sheet Essential Mask is vegan certified, biodegradable to deliver effectiveness and radio adjustment of sheet mask. It is environmental friendly, vegan certified, biodegradable sheet, FSC certified paper with eco-friendly soy ink. There are some adjustments to the ingredients, so to check it out. The thin mask is soft and also fit my face really well. So I do really enjoy this new essential healing as I did with their old formulation. It is also equally effective. See you in my other videos.